Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Starling Bank app. I've been using this app for a while now, and I've been really impressed with all of the features that it offers. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the app and show you how to use some of its most popular features. Have you ever been frustrated with your bank's app? Maybe it's slow, clunky, or just not user-friendly. If so, then you'll definitely want to check out the Starling Bank app. What is Starling Bank? Starling Bank is a challenger bank that was founded in 2016. It's a mobile-only bank, which means that you can only access your account through their app. This might sound like a downside, but it actually has a lot of benefits. For example, Starling Bank doesn't have any branches, so you can save money on overhead costs. This means that they can offer you lower fees and better interest rates. What features are included in the Starling Bank app? The Starling Bank app is packed with features that make it a great choice for anyone who wants a modern and convenient banking experience. Here are a few of my favorite features. Easy to use. The Starling Bank app is very easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and you can find everything you need with just a few taps. Free to use, Starling Bank doesn't charge any fees for using their app. This means that you can open an account and start using it without having to worry about any hidden costs. Great interest rates. Starling Bank offers some of the best interest rates on savings accounts in the UK. This means that you can grow your money faster than with other banks. Unique features. Starling Bank offers a number of unique features that you won't find with other banks. For example, you can use the app to set up goals and save money towards them. You can also use the app to track your spending and get insights into your financial habits. How to use some of the most popular features of the Starling Bank app. Here are a few tips on how to use some of the most popular features of the Starling Bank app. Setting up goals. To set up a goal, simply tap on the Goals tab in the app. Then, enter the name of your goal and the amount of money you want to save. Once you've set up your goal, you can track your progress in the app. Tracking your spending. To track your spending, simply tap on the Transactions tab in the app. This will show you a list of all of your recent transactions. You can also use the app to filter your transactions by category or date. Getting insights into your financial habits. The Starling Bank app can help you to get a better understanding of your financial habits. For example, the app can show you how much you're spending on each category, and it can also help you to identify areas where you can save money. I'm really impressed with the Starling Bank app. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a modern and convenient banking experience. I highly recommend it. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Starling Bank app, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.